The news at 6, I'm Diane Smith. Tonight we have in a special guest from University College London, who is a professor in contraception. Over to you, Professor Damien Sprite.
Yes, hello Diane. Back in the labs, our team studying contraception along with some of the leading professors and scientists have been carrying out research on contraceptive drugs.
Yes, we have finally made a breakthrough. We have developed a new contraceptive patch which releases hormones into the bloodstream, also an injectable drug which is more reliable.
So tell us, Dr. Handstone, why is this new generation of contraceptive drugs more effective?
Well, it uses a new concentrated type of contraceptive hormone. The hormones used in contraceptive pills are synthetically made, but the new pills are made from female horse urine.
Female horse urine?
Yes Diane, it's been tested and we've concluded that it's about 47% more successful than previous birth control drugs. They're being released on the market next month, hopefully.
Thanks for coming, and it's been very interesting. Good luck for when it comes out on the market.
Thank you very much.
Good night.